Hello, my name is Natalie Diaz and I'm part of the Educational Technology team. In this video, we'll be talking about how to add an auto response to your Canvas inbox. What you'll first need to do is go to your Ivy Learn account and click on the Canvas inbox icon, which is located in your global navigation menu to the left of your screen. After you have clicked on the Canvas inbox icon, you'll be taken to this screen. From here, you'll need to click on the Inbox Settings icon that's located right next to the Compose button. From there, in the Inbox Settings, to the very top of the page, you will see the Out of Office option. From there, you'll be able to choose if you want it off or on, and as well as a start and end date. Let's say you are gone for more than one day, you're gone for a week, you're gone for a period of time. You can always choose when that start and end date are. From there, you get to choose what you want your subject line to be, whether it be fall break, vacation, out of office, whatever you want the subject line to be is something that the students will easily be able to infer what the message is about. From here, you get to choose the message. The message should include an estimated time when you will return, so the students aren't continuously messaging you and getting that out of office message, so they know they know an expected date of when you will return. And also just a message letting them know that you will respond as soon as possible once you return to office, since you will most likely receive an increased amount of inbox messages while you were away. It will take a little bit of time for you to respond back to them. So this is how you'll be able to set your out of office auto response in this page. From there, you'll just have to click on Save. If you need any assistance with this or have any questions, please feel free to contact the Educational Technology team. You can contact us by typing in that URL in the browser, or you can email us at fortwayne-edtech@ivytech.edu, and one of us, whoever is most readily available, will be able to answer you. Thank you and have a great day.